just to quickly run through who it's for. So some of the common drivers that we see are data sovereignty. So it's if you need to keep your data on premises for regulatory or policy reasons. FlexCore gives you that control while maintaining exactly that cloud experience that you're used to. Latency sensitive workloads, when milliseconds matter, having infrastructure on your network removes the unknowns of the public internet. Security and control. Some organizations simply need dedicated infrastructure. It removes an awful lot of risk and ticks an awful lot of boxes. So no share hardware, no multi-tenancy concerns. For someone who's facing a refresh cycle, hardware refresh cycle, FlexCore lets you modernize rather than just replace like for like. If your team is stretched thin, if you have ops resource pressure, so you're managing infrastructure and you're spending so much time doing that you're not meeting your other objectives, Zero Ops can free them up. And on a cloud native journey, if you want Kubernetes or you want containerization platform, but you don't want the complexity of building out your own platform, FlexCore delivers it out of the box. If any of these resonate, FlexCore might be a really sensible solution for you. So across different industries, we're agnostic around industry, but it does work along a wide range of industries. Regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and government, where compliance requirements often mandate on-premises infrastructure. Defense and security, where sovereign controlled infrastructure isn't optional, it's essential. Edge computing, so where you need cloud capabilities in remote locations with limited connectivity to central data centers. And then we've got managed service providers. It's worth remembering that Civo Stack was built for multi-tenancy. FlexCore is a ready-to-resell platform with built-in billing and resource tracking. Ultimately, there's all forms of enterprise IT. Even if you're not reselling, the multi-tenancy features enable departmental billing and resource control within your organization.